Every step forward begins with focus. Just focus. Get more done in less time. What is brown noise? Brown noise is a deeper and smoother type of sound, designed to help you focus, relax, and stay consistent with your work. Brown noise emphasizes lower frequencies, which creates a steady, balanced sound that can mask distracting background noises like conversations, traffic, or sudden interruptions. By reducing those distractions, it becomes easier to stay locked in on tasks that require sustained attention. Many people use brown noise for studying, working, reading, creative projects, or rest. It can also be helpful for those who struggle with concentration, including individuals with attention difficulties, because it provides a constant audio environment that supports mental clarity and reduces overstimulation. Also, great for reaching a deeper, more relaxing sleep. You can play brown noise in the background while you work, during deep focus sessions, or anytime you need a calm and consistent sound to stay on track. Set your volume to a comfortable level, take a moment to settle in, and let the sound help you stay focused. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing to Just Focus, so you can return to concentration-based videos whenever you need a distraction-free environment.